This is part 2 of chapter Pythagoras theorem. In this video we will study proof of Pythagoras theorem, a Pythagorean triplet, 30 60 90 degree and 45 45 90 degree triangle theorem. First we will see the proof of Pythagoras theorem. You all knows the Pythagoras theorem. In right angle triangle the square of hypotenuse is equals to the sum of square of remaining two sides. So we need to prove hypotenuse square means PR square equals to PQ square plus QR square. In triangle PQR, angle PQR, this angle equals to 90 degree, and draw perpendicular QS. Draw segment QS perpendicular on this hypotenuse PR. Two triangles are formed and these two triangles are similar to each other and to the original triangle also. Therefore, triangle PQS, this triangle and this triangle, PQS similar to triangle QSR similar to original triangle PQR. By similarity of right angle triangle, this is 1. Now we can write triangle PQS similar to triangle original triangle PQR from 1. So corresponding, if triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are in proportion. I will separate these triangles, two triangles, for our convenience. This is triangle PQS, PSQ or PQS, and this is original triangle PQR. This is PSQ. Perpendicular sides are PS and Q and SQ, and hypotenuse PQ in this triangle and here PQ. So corresponding sides are PS upon PQ equals to PQ upon PR. PQ into PQ, PQ square equals to PS into PR. This is equation 2. Now we will take these two triangles, triangle QSR, triangle QSR similar to triangle PQR, PQR. Now I will separate these two triangles PQR and this small triangle QSR for our convenience. Two triangles are separate, therefore their corresponding sides are in proportion. So QS हम लेंगे SR upon QR equals to QR, this side QR upon PR. QR into QR, QR square equals to SR into PR. This is equation 3. Adding 2 and 3, we get PQ square plus QR square equals to PS into PR plus SR into PR equals to PR is common in these two terms, PS plus SR left, therefore PR into PS plus SR is PR equals to PR square, therefore PQ square plus QR square equals to PR square. This is the Pythagoras theorem. PR square equals to PQ square plus QR square. The converse of Pythagoras theorem is if the square of one side is equal to the sum of square of the remaining two sides, then the triangle is a right angled triangle. Next is Pythagorean triplet. We will take three numbers 3, 4 and 5. The largest number is 5. 5 square equals to 25 and square of this number is 9 and square of this number is 16. So 5 square equals to 3 square plus 4 square. 25 equals to 9 plus 16. So 25 equals to 25. Means the square of largest number is equals to the sum of square of remaining two numbers. If the square of largest number is equals to the sum of square of remaining two numbers, then the group of these three numbers is called a Pythagorean triplets. The formula to find the Pythagorean triplet is, if P is greater than Q, then P square plus Q square and P square minus Q square and 2PQ. This is the formula for finding the Pythagorean triplet. Next is 30, 60, 90 degree triangle theorem. In triangle ABC, angle ABC, this angle equals to 90 degree. If angle C equals to 30 degree, then this is 30 degree. Then side opposite to this angle 30 degree angle is AB. So AB equals to half into hypotenuse AC. If angle A equals to 60 degree, this is 60 degree angle, then side opposite to this angle 60 degree angle is BC equals to root 3 by 2 times of hypotenuse AC. Next is 45, 45 and 90 degree triangle theorem. In triangle PQR, angle PQR equals to 90 degree and angle P and angle R equals to 45 degree. Therefore, side opposite to both these 45 degree angles are similar. So PQ equals to QR. QR. PQ equals to QR equals to 1 by root 2 of hypotenuse PR. I hope you all understand the theorems. Now we will solve some problems based on this theorem. First problem is, identify which of the following are Pythagorean triplet. First is 24, 70 and 74. Largest number is 74 square equals to 5, 4, 7, 6 and 24 square equals to 576. 70 square equals to 4900. Now 24 square plus 70 square equals to 576 plus 4900 equals to, if we add these two numbers, we get 5476. So these value 1 and 2, these value are similar. Therefore, this is the Pythagorean triplet. So 24 square plus 70 square equals to 74 square. The square of largest number is equal to the sum of square of other two numbers. Next is 10 square. 10, 24 and 27. Largest number is 27. 27 square is 729. 10 square 100. 24 square 576. This is 1. Now we add this 10 square plus 4 square equals to 100 plus 576 equals to 676. These values are not similar. Therefore, 10 square plus 24 square not equals to 27 square. The square of largest number is not equals to the sum of square of other two numbers. Therefore, this is not the Pythagorean triplet. Next is 11, 60 and 61. Largest number square equals to 61 square equals to 3721. 11 square equals to 121 and 60 square equals to 3600. Now 11 square plus 60 square equals to 121 plus 3600 equals to 3721. Therefore these two values are similar. Therefore 11 square plus 60 square equals to 61 square. The square of largest number is equal to the sum of square of other two numbers. Therefore, this is the Pythagorean triplet. Next problem is in figure find RP and PS using the given information. SR is 6. In triangle PSR, angle PSR equals to 90 degree and angle SPR equals to 30 degree. These are given. Therefore, remaining angle is angle SRP equals to 60 degree. Remaining angle of triangle. Therefore, this triangle PSR is 30, 60 and 90 degree triangle. By using 30, 60, 90 degree triangle theorem, SR equals to half into RP, hypotenuse. SR given है 6 equals to half into RP. So RP equals to 6 into 2, 12. Now PS equals to, we find this RP. Now PS equals to, PS is opposite to angle 60 degree. So PS equals to root 3 by 2 into RP. PS equals to root 3 by 2 into RP is 12. 2 ones are 6 are. Therefore, PS equals to 6 root 3. Next problem is find the side and perimeter of square whose diagonal is 10 centimeter. So ABCD is a square and AC equals to 10 centimeter. We will take X for side AB equals to BC equals to X centimeter. To find this side BC, we use Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC. So in triangle ABC, angle ABC equals to 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, AC square equals to AB square plus BC square equals to X square plus X square equals to 2X square. And AC is 10. So 100 equals to 2X square. Therefore, X square equals to 100 by 2, 50. By taking square root of both sides, X equals to 5 root 2. Square root of 50 is 5 root 2. Therefore, AB equals to 5 root 2 centimeter, the side of square. Now perimeter perimeter of square equals to 4 into side equals to 4 into side is 5 root 2 equals to 4 5s are 20 root 2 centimeter. Side of square is 5 root 2 centimeter and the perimeter is 20 root 2 centimeter. Next problem is, in the figure M is the midpoint of QR, angle PRQ, this angle equals to 90 degree, then prove that PQ square equals to 4 into PM square minus 3 into PR square. In triangle PQR or PRQ, angle PRQ equals to 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem, PQ square equals to PR square plus QR square. This is equation 1. Now in triangle PRM, angle PRM equals to 90 degree, this small triangle PRM triangle. So by Pythagoras theorem, PM square, this is the hypotenuse, PM square equals to PR square plus RM square. This is equation 2. Now RM equals to, M is the midpoint of RQ, therefore RM equals to half of QR or RQ. This is equation 3. RM equals to half of RQ. So therefore PM square equals to, substitute this value in equation 2. We get equation 2 is PR square plus RM equals to half into RQ square. Therefore PM square equals to PR square plus 1 by square of 1 by 2 is 1 by 4 RQ square. Now multiply each term by 4. We get 4 PM square plus 4 PR square plus 4 cancel हो जाएंगे, RQ square. Now we will write 4 PM square plus, we write 4 PR square equals to 3 PR square plus PR square. So 3 PR square plus PR square plus RQ square equals to 4 PM square equals to, now 4 PM square equals to 3 PR square plus PR square means 4 PR square. Therefore 4 PM square minus 3 PR square equals to PR square plus PR square plus RQ square equals to PQ square. Therefore PQ square equals to 4 PM square minus 3 PR square. In next video we will see the application of Pythagoras theorem and Apollonius theorem.